Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Node-RED. In order to do so, here we are at node-red.org. And what is Node-RED all about? Well, it's low-code programming for event-driven applications. It's the easiest way to collect, transform, and visualize real-time data per their website. Node-RED's goal is to enable anyone to build applications that collect, transform, and visualize their data, building flows that can automate their world. Its low-code nature makes it accessible to users of any background, whether for home automation, industrial control systems, or anything in between. From home hobbyists to large-scale industrial operations, Node-RED has found a place in a wide range of applications supported by an active community that has built over 5,000 nodes and flows to advantage of its event-driven non-blocking model. This makes it ideal to run at the edge of the network on low-cost hardware such as Raspberry Pi, as well as in the cloud. It runs locally, you can run it on a device, or you can run it in the cloud. So if you're interested in using Node-RED, head over to node-red.org and click on the Get Started button, and you can go from there. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to open up an account, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.